I didn't figure out how to do the light part, so we're just gonna install these. Here we go. I don't think it really matters how these go. I think the metal part actually has to go on top. There we go.
Two very boring minutes later.
Last but not least, we have the keycaps. I gotta decide on what I want to have for some of these. I know for sure I have to unplug this because if not, it's probably gonna be going off the whole time. So for sure, we got Chainsaw Man for the escape key. Easy choice. Ooh, that sounds nice. That sounds very nice. I know for sure we're going to have our regular tab key for sure, which is going to be here. We gotta have Chainsaw Man 100%. I love the sound. Let's go ahead and start with the ones we know we're gonna do.
One eternity later.